Hi, welcome to Tech Flyer. Today I'll show you how to mute WhatsApp chats permanently if you're receiving too many messages or simply want some peace and quiet. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp chat that you want to mute. Once you're inside the chat, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, click on Mute Notifications. A pop up will appear with three options: 8 hours, 1 week, or always. If you want to mute the chat permanently, simply choose Always. This will stop any notifications for new messages in that chat and you won't get disturbed anymore. Once you've made your choice, just tap on OK, and that's it. Your chat is now muted. You won't receive notifications for this chat, but you can still check the messages whenever you want. It's a great way to keep your WhatsApp quiet without missing out on anything. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more useful WhatsApp tips here on TechFlyer. Please like this video, subscribe to TechFlyer, and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.